Hey guys, how's it going? Zach here today to find out what would happen. Taking an Xbox 360 controller and a CO2 powered pellet gun, and we'll see who will come out on top. Alright, here's the Xbox controller. I already tried filming this video once, so there's already one hole in it. Also, the battery case got completely shattered off in one shot. Had over 12 inches of snow here, so just figured I'd spend the day doing something fun. I have a Crossman 1077.177 caliber, shooting 4.5mm destroyer pellets. So let's just go for it and see what happens. First shot. Alright. That was one magazine, guys. Let's see what it did. Here's the controller. The directional pad completely jammed. There's actually a pellet stuck in there. There it goes. There's a hole. The Xbox button, oh, completely gone, just fell off into the snow. Other than that, the directional pad, couple little chips, but I'm not seeing any much more breakage. Let's throw another round and we'll put it a little closer this time. Alright. Give me a minute here, guys, to reload this clip. If you have one, you know you gotta load every pellet in by hand. 12 shots, it adds up. So the whole state of New Jersey just got over a snow warning emergency. Schools were shut down, works were closed, all the public workers didn't have to go in. They didn't even deliver mail. So that's how you know. If there's no mail, that's how you know you just got hit by a pretty big storm. But hopefully this video fully records. I already said I tried once, got halfway through, somehow my battery died on me. Charged it back up, give it another shot. After this clip, I have a CO2 airsoft gun, not pellet, just normal airsoft, so I'm going to dump into it and see if we could add up any more damage. Alright, so we're loaded up. Locked in. Boom. Alright. A little closer range this time. Try to get some. Alright, that was hard to see on camera, but I shot a couple here at the Y. I had the scope on there, but just won't focus, so it's hard to see. I hit this rubber pad and honestly it barely made a mark on it. Trying to get so you can see. Mainly only to the very light plastic stuff where there's nothing behind. Went through, as I said, shattered the backing. Nothing over here got injured. So now we'll come over. Got the pistol loaded up, ready to go. Now let's see if we can get a little better results. Alright, put this in. Ready? Nope. Give you guys 1 second, sorry. Can't get my CO2 gun to crack, unfortunately. So let's. Alright, sorry about that. I had to get something to crack the CO2 with, but yeah, so this will be a fresh CO2 cartridge, so it'll be as powerful as the gun will ever be. You know what I'm saying? So, crack this. Nope, still can't get it to crack. Alright guys, sorry about that. I feel stupid. It took me so long just to crack the fucking CO2 thing, so get some airsoft loaded into the clip. Not sure if it's a 12 or 14, 15 round mag. So yeah, no, I got the CO2. The rifle is a present, so I'm not sure how much they even go for. But I want to give you guys a close-up for this one. You see that? Alright. I don't think the airsoft gun, it cracked this up a little bit. Other than that, I'm not seeing any type of damage. So Xbox 360 controllers, pretty tough. Got it against a bright sunny day, pretty tough stuff. Alright guys, until next time.